Today we're going to be discussing basic types of strength training, and today's focus will be on circuit training. I've embedded a short YouTube video clip in the next slide. I would like you to watch it and pay attention to some of the following information. First, I'd like you to look at the type of equipment that's being used. Is the lifter using free weights, machine weights, a combination of the two, or something completely different? Take a look at the pace of the workout. Is the lifter moving quickly, not only completing the repetitions but also moving between stations? Take a look at the amount of weight the lifter is using. Is it really heavy? Do they seem to be struggling? Or is it lighter weight that they seem to be having a challenge but not making it overly difficult? You can combine that with the number of repetitions. I would expect a person that's lifting heavy weight to do fewer reps and a person that's lifting lighter weight to do several reps, somewhere in the neighborhood of 10 or more. Finally, I would look at the lifter's form. Lifters should be using extremely good form with lighter weight, but their form may suffer a little bit if they're doing heavy weight. After you've finished the video, please click on the top of the screen on the Google Form tab and follow the directions. Once again, go to the top of the screen and click on the Google Form tab and follow the directions. Now, having looked at all of this information, let's give you some information about it. Circuit training is comprised of lifts that can be done on a machine or on free weight apparatus, as represented by the two pictures here. The goal is to keep the heart rate elevated throughout the workout and to focus on muscular endurance, hence the reason we have a heart rate monitor here. 3 sets of 10 repetitions or more, up to 20 repetitions, are done on each apparatus, as you can see in this lifter's workout chart. Each set has a time limitation, usually 1 minute, to complete one set and rest, which you can see on this circuit timer. The workout should last at least 30 minutes, which is represented by this clock. And finally, form is more important than weight lifted. You can see that looking at the example of bad lifting form versus good lifting form. Now I'd like you to go to the Google tab at the top of the screen and try to match the image to the descriptor it goes with. When you've finished, see how you did by referring to the next slide. Once again, hopefully you recognized all of the images and that when you saw the lifting machines and the weights, that was letting you know that circuit training can be done using either. When you saw the heart rate monitor, I was hoping that would give you the message that you are supposed to keep your heart rate elevated throughout the workout. Seeing the lifters chart should have given you the indication that the person should be doing 3 sets of 10 repetitions or more, up to even 20 repetitions on each machine or station. The circuit timer I was hoping would tell you that, well, you have to have at least 1 minute to complete your set, and then you need to rest. The clock represented the 30 minutes you should use to work out, and that's the minimum. And then finally, the lifter with good and bad form is telling you you need to focus on having good form when you're doing a workout. That was day 1 for different types of exercises with regards to strength, and it was circuit training. Thank you, and we'll see you next time.